Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to download a WordPress theme from ThemeForest for free. So let's get started. This is not for all themes. It's selected themes on a monthly basis. Envato provides customers free themes on a monthly basis. First, open the Envato Market in your web browser, and then sign in to your Google account. Next, open a new tab, and then in the search bar, search for ThemeForest free files of the month. And then open the first website, and you will be redirected here. Now here, as you can see, there are many files available, like WordPress HTML, and more available for this month. You can check back next month, and there may be new files available in the next month. Let's click anyone. And here, as you can see, download it for free. Click on it, and as you can see, the file is downloaded here. And that's it. How to download a WordPress theme from ThemeForest for free. Whether it's for your portfolio, blog, or online presence, you need a theme that's stylish, customizable, and easy to manage. And the one I recommend is the DV theme by Elegant Themes. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or professional, it helps you showcase your skills, build trust, and even land new opportunities. Design your website in real time with zero coding. DV comes with pre-made designs for portfolios, resumes, and blogs. Change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your personal brand. DV loads quickly and works well with SEO plugins, helping you grow your online presence. Looks perfect on desktop, tablet, and mobile. DV gets constant updates, making it reliable for years to come. DV is perfect for anyone creating a personal brand website, a freelance portfolio, a resume site, or even a simple personal blog. It adapts to your style, whether you want something minimal or highly creative. So, I highly recommend trying DV Theme. Use the link in the description to try DV from Elegant Themes at a great price.